Oh, we are recording.
What?
Welcome back. Sean and Alice, the real experts. Coldwell Banker Realty. Today in Panama City Beach, Florida, we're at the Commodore Unit 610. This is a 360 tour. So if you drag the mouse around or move your mobile device, you can change the perspective of the view.
I'm changing the perspective of the view.
And you can also tap the gear icon because this is also in 4K. But what a beautiful day
It is.
at the beach. 6th floor and unit. We'll come back out to the balcony in a second. You know what? We're out here now. I'm going to walk to the end of the balcony to show you this wraparound. We've had some rain.
Oh, hello there.
Hello there. We've had rain the last week or so, or clouds or whatever, so we've been excited waiting for this beautiful weather to be able to do this video. Hey, we just popped into a bedroom.
I know.
So this is the corner of the building.
Right? Corner view. Look at that. A wall of glass. I love that.
Yes, and there is some salt spray on there right now. The glass is in perfect shape. It's just a little bit dirty from salt spray, but we are in the lockout portion of this unit right now. And we got your full bathroom here. And then this is your lockout. If you wanted to have someone in your group have a little extra privacy, maybe they like to stay out at patches and have their beverages till the wee hours of the morning. You got a storage closet right here that also conveys with this unit. And then, you know, here's the gate. You want to let me in the front door?
Sure.
Okay, we'll meet Alice over there. So we got the trash chute right here, stairs if you need them. Got your nice view of the lagoon over there. And here's your front door.
So welcome to Commodore 610.
Cool. First bedroom. Door to the full bath there. Got a really nice sized closet here. You've been talking about how sometimes people make the bathrooms bigger.
Right. So because they have a big closet and originally built the bathroom so small, a lot of people remodel that, push that wall all the way to the beginning of the door and make it a walk-in shower.
Yeah, so you could have a bigger shower there if you want to just move the water heater over a little bit. Oh, I passed right by the kitchen.
Right. Not sure if you said, but this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom
I did not.
unit.
Thank you for covering that.
And both of the suites were a golf view, which you rarely find this
Yes.
on golf condos,
Right.
golfront condos.
That's a very good point. You can find 3-bedroom condos, but rarely with 2 of the bedrooms facing the Gulf. Look at
Right.
those views.
That's a lot of real estate,
That's a lot of real estate. A lot of Gulf front real estate.
right?
So we're in the living room now, and we're gonna go look at the last bedroom.
Okay.
Okay.
Same thing for this bedroom. Also a large walk-in closet that you can
Oh yeah.
remodel, bring the wall to the edge of the door, which is about 2 feet,
Yep.
and make it a deep
Yeah, could give
bathroom.
yourself some extra space in here.
Put a walk-in shower in there. Put a barn door to the bathroom so you don't have the door opening back and forth.
Hey, that's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Maximizing your space.
Right, and here's another bedroom with this fantastic Gulf view. I do love the Commodore building.
Tell me about it outside. I want to see the Gulf.
Really one of my favorites.
Why do you like it?
You're super close to the St. Andrews State Park, right there. To your east side is super calm here. The water is really close to you. You've got downstairs You got to what? 2 blocks from Patches?
No, the Patches is like right there.
Is it?
It's just you walk
Is it
out
a block?
the. Not even.
Okay.
You can see it from the front door.
You know, I never walked there from here, so that.
Right? You don't have far to go if you had a puppy tummy and just wanted to roll yourself home.
So you're close to all the locals restaurant. Thomas Drive has 2 lanes going east, 2 lanes going west, so you don't have that much traffic that you usually have on Front Beach Road. The pool right there that you can see is heated during the winter, so you can use all year round.
Looks like it got a hot tub and a little splash pool.
And of course, you know, all this corner view, all this huge balcony that everybody can sit in here.
I could sit out here all day.
I know.
But if you guys are watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. We do 360 tours like this all the time. So if you don't want to miss the next one, make sure you do all that. Keep it locked in. And if you want to share this with someone who you think might enjoy muting it and not listening to us and looking at those views of the Gulf, go ahead and do that. Thanks so much, you guys, for hanging out with us. We'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, I'm mesmerized by the water. So yeah, see you in the next one.
I know.
Bye for now.
We got work to do.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys. Bye for now.